babies, good morning. We are heading to the PCR first and we go to the mall after. Kids are with me. Good morning, kiddos. That's actually 10. So, yep. Let's go. We have so many errands today, but we'll see what we can finish. Oh, Emirates Post. Huh? I have a delivery coming. Wait. PCR day. Maybe I will just lay down a little bit, okay? Feels like as if it's always the first time you have to practice.
Why is it closed?
It's not closed.
It's your first time.
Ate is coming. I'll get back to you, babies. We are outside my friend's house. We're gonna drop the Christmas tree. The extra one that I used to have, that we used to have, it's 150 centimeter. I'm just giving it to my friend instead of just collecting dust at home. And yeah, I don't know where they live. They moved, but that's 11. This is 8. Anyway, she will call her husband to come outside.
She has a... Oh.
Si, coach. There. Father and son.
Father.
What did I say?
You said father and son. It's father and daughter.
Sorry. Sorry naman. So yeah, finally. We're going to have some coffee now. Because I haven't eaten and we are lost.
And she did not drink.
Yeah, I did not drink any water either.
Any donut? And
We will go and buy. You want donut?
And her digestive systems are dry.
Yeah, that's why I'm already grumpy. Yeah. We're going to Dunkin' Donut. I haven't been here to shut off Daisy. But I don't need anything there, I guess. Yay! Christmas season. Apa? So this is what we got, Christmas box, except for this one. And yeah, this one is Baby Boy's favorite, ginger. And I have iced latte
And
caramel and Fanta for you.
Mama?
Yes, baby.
Me. Let me get my soup.
Hi, babies. It's my first time to be noticed. Say hi, ate. We are here at Dunkin' Jimmy. I'm so shy. Yeah. I'm gonna have some Christmas. I'm shy because ate recognized me on TikTok. The moment we enter, said, "Oh, I know you are from TikTok." And the video that she saw is when I'm cleaning the pool. So that's what she remembered from one of my videos. I'm shy. Someone recognized me.
I didn't know.
Eating this one, a plain one.
Beverage, milk, other flavors, sweetener, and positive energy. Which one do you think is the one that's checked?
What are written in there?
Beverage, milk, other flavor, sweetener, and positive energy.
I hope it's positive energy. Really? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. You have a gingerbread.
That's the same technique I did.
Yeah,
Eating
you
the
eat the
leg.
feet, the legs first. So let's check this out, shut up. Let's see what we can find here. Which one? That's huge, right?
And it has spikes. Oh, maybe.
Remington. But this is too tiny. Oh, this is the one I'm looking for.
Mama,
But it's cheaper here.
Mama, I think I know what.
But it's 5.
Look, there's a pink one. Mama, I
Yeah,
think
there's a pink one.
there's a pink one. Mama, I think it's a hair that you can scrub.
This is the one I saw online. It costs 153. It's on sale. So yeah, satin hair 5. I like this one, but it's too much. It's 329.
This one, Remington.
We're done at the Sharaf. I was able to get the hair dryer that I like. I've been eyeing for that on Amazon for a couple of days now, and I saw it here. It's cheaper. It's 129 compared to Amazon, which from 199 became 153. And yeah, here it's cheaper, so I got it from here. Yeah, let's go. So let's go to the noob next. I'm gonna check some stuff. It's nice, right? This is I like the color.
Don't step in, just touch it because it's gonna get.
We are done at the noob. We just bought the high quality pillow for Habibu. Yeah, because his pillow has been years with him, and he is not someone who doesn't change a pillow like a baby. A pillow like baby boy, you have that pillow since you are how many years old? 2, 3 years old. They are the same. I don't know for Habibu for how long he has his pillow, but for sure it's been years, and it's a good quality because it's still in good condition. It's just that I feel bad for the pillow. It's time to relax. To rest for the
Mama,
pillow.
I was from 4 to 7. I mean
No.
4 to 9, sorry.
You have that since, I don't know, 3 years old, I guess.
I think 3 to 8.
We bought it in the Philippines in what's the name of the famous
Crescent City.
brand of stuff?
Oh, Crescent
Anyway,
City.
I will check later at home. Let's
Crescent
go to Jimmy Mall. There, old Jimmy Mall. We're done in H&M. Now we're heading to Carrefour. And baby girl is pushing the cart. I mean the stroller. Dun. We are in Carrefour, and guess where I am? Notebook area. It's been a while since I'm addicted to notebook. This one. And this. Nice. And there are other stuff. Good thing there's no more bookshop here. Where the Sharaf before, there was a bookshop where there are so many notebooks, and I got a few. Oh, wait, I need my pen. I have a specific pen that I like. Wait. And there you go, lots of pens. Good luck for finding the one that I like. This one, I found it. Yep. This is my favorite. Baby boy pretending
it's
this
a
is his
game.
card.
Mama, it's a game from Spiciness.
I know. Alpha, your face mask. Alpha? Yung Santa? Come on. Go. Happy bees. Oh my gosh, we just got home and we are so exhausted. My neck hurts. Your neck hurts also, baby boy?
Oh, yeah. I was falling asleep in the car.
Yeah, baby girl just woke up. She slept in the car. She did not see Santa.
But did you take a picture of it?
Yeah, I did. So yeah, let's go and carry the stuff upstairs. Complaining too much. Happy bees update. So since we arrived, I have been bidding. Yeah, and while I'm bidding, I am watching something.
Kuya, get this from the shopping.
Wow. And also, I'm already cooking rice. We will just eat the leftover adobo. I was not able to show you last night, but that's what we ate. And yeah, leftover only for tonight. Supposedly, we will have pizza, but we forgot to buy the pizza sauce. And some cheese. We only have mozzarella in the fridge. And that's not gonna be enough. So, yeah, maybe tomorrow. We'll see. Babies, I got bored and I decided to unbox this bronze satin hair that I got. This is the one I'm talking about earlier.
Yeah.
And yeah, I have a blow dryer, but it's too small since my hair now is a little bit longer and thicker. I need something high quality, and hopefully this one is not bad. And it has this nozzle, which I find it really funny. I'm trying to attach it with. I needed one because it's already winter. I really don't apply heat on my hair, but it's winter, so I needed to dry it as fast as possible, because if my hair is wet, it's wet, and I sleep wet like that, that's when I get sick. So it's much better to dry it first. Why it's not working? Let's pretend that my hair is wet. Wait. It's really huge. I don't like it. But among all the available hair dryer there, this one is the cheapest. I mean, there are cheapest like 88 like that. The satin one, satin hair one. This one is satin hair 5. But I prefer something bigger, not just the small one, which the one I have. But yeah, we'll see. Recipe book? It's not a recipe book, it's a manual.
Manual? No, it's okay.
Okay, so the thing about this one is there's air all over the place, and there are 2 nozzles. You can adjust the heat. And I don't know what about this one. I'm gonna read the manual later on because I cannot find an instruction on YouTube, which is easier.
This castle.
Give me. So yeah, I think it's not bad, but I prefer the one with the small nozzle. This one is, I think, perfect when you point it to the scalp. But I don't really like it. It's bulky. It's huge. I prefer the one with the hairbrush and do that. But it's not bad. It's like a massager as well. Oh, it feels good. So yeah, let's try this one. Okay. So I prefer this one. The air is just in one place, unlike the other one, which is distributed. And yeah, it dries up quickly. It's just level 1. It's not that noisy. It's shiny. I mean, for me, it's just not bad. And yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about, but I like it. I like it just like this. So it's perfect also if you have like a brush. And yeah. For the first time in history, I'm gonna apply heat. After a long time, actually, I have been ironing my hair before, but I don't really dry it with the hair dryer. I just let it dry by itself. Be careful, baby. Yeah, put it down. Put it down so that you will not hurt your feet. So, yeah, that's it. I'll get back to you, babies. So I took the time to clean first before putting her to sleep. Sinipag ako. Okay, anyway, let's turn this off. Ay. Good night, baby. Hi, babies. It's time to dry my hair. I'm putting you there because I don't have a mirror. I'm just here in the kitchen. And yeah, the kids are already sleeping. I just took a bath and I'm gonna sleep as well.